Hey everyone! Today we'll be doing an overview of the Slingstudio system. So let's get to it. Yon. So bago tayo magpatuloy, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung quick unboxing ng Slingstudio. Actually, ito lang yon. Dalawang Cameralink, yung Slingstudio hub, yung battery pack, and required to use the Slingstudio is an iPad or a MacBook Pro. Since mas mura ang iPad kaysa sa MacBook Pro, ito yung in-acquire natin na gamit. So, ito yung Cameralink. Ito yung dinidikit natin sa camera para mag-transmit ng wireless signal papunta dun sa hub. So, we got a quick start guide, foam, and yung Cameralink mismo. At the back, it has a micro HDMI connection, micro USB connection. This is for power, this is for the signal. That's it. Under the package, we have cold shoe for the camera, HDMI connection, and the power cable. And then this one is the battery. Quick start guide, and now the Slingstudio. Quick start guide. You got the power cable, HDMI to a mini HDMI connection, and the power brick, and the Slingstudio. So we have a USB-C connection. We'll use an extender like this, but I think I need to replace this. Okay siya, gumagana, kaya lang USB 2 yung connection niya, hindi ko napansin. So we need USB-C to RJ45 with USB 3 connection. I'll explain later. Well, I explain now ngayon. Well, I explain ko na ngayon. Dito yung internet natin papasok. Mas mabilis siya kung hardwire. And then, kung meron tayong extra hard drive, external hard drive, dito natin ididikit. So, lahat ng recording from Slingstudio, diretso na dun sa hard drive. But, meron siyang SD card slot dito sa harap. So, pwede rin dun. Kaya lang kunyari mahaba yung recording or what, na hindi kakasya sa SD card, pwedeng diretso na siya dun sa hard drive. And kung diretso streaming tayo, live streaming, mas okay pag naka-hardline tayo na internet connection. So meron tayong HDMI in dito, full-size HDMI, so pwede tayong mag video in na mga graphics kung galing sa computer, or kung meron kayong camera na malapit lang dito nakadikit, pwedeng nakadiretso yung HDMI cable from camera to the Slingstudio. Or pwede rin naman naka-wireless transmitter kayo na hindi Cameralink, pwede rin yung diretso dito. HDMI out, mini HDMI out. So this is going to a TV for your monitor. And then we have a line in for the audio para hindi kada camera yun yung audio na naririnig mo. Siyempre hindi magpapantay yung audio levels natin. So pwede tayong mag-line in. And of course, the power. One of the, hindi naman siya downside. Ito lang yung isa sa mga hinaing ko, kumbaga, dito sa Slingstudio. Medyo may pagkabaya siya sa Mac or Apple products. Kasi, hindi mo siya magagamit kung wala kang iPad or MacBook Pro or MacBook or iMac. So, kailangan Apple product yung nakadikit sa kanya para makontrol mo. So, dahil Apple siya, mahal siya. At dahil mahal siya, papafeel niya sa'yo na sulit yung binayad mo. So, pati yung pagtanggal ng plastic, sila nang bahala. Inside the box, we have documents, a USB-C charger, and the USB-C cable. Yon! So, quick overview lang po. This is the Slingstudio hub. Pwede kayong mag-connect dito ng 10 video source wirelessly and 1 video source na pwedeng naka-HDMI. I have here 2 cameras and then 1 cellphone. Yun yung itetesting natin ngayon. So, 3 video sources. This is a Canon XA11, this is a Canon 5D Mark III, and this is a Huawei P10. For a complete list of compatible cell phones or video sources you can use with the Slingstudio hub, check their website. First, the Slingstudio Cameralink. What this does is get the video signal from your camera and transmit it wirelessly to your Slingstudio hub. Pag cellphone naman ang gagamitin nyo using the camera, di ba? Magaganda na yung mga cameras ng mga cellphones ngayon, lalo na yung mga bago. You can use your cellphone as the camera source. Kailangan nyo lang po mag-download ng Slingstudio Capture app to transmit wireless video signal to the Slingstudio hub. One very important note lang po before we continue. The Slingstudio system is meant to be used for Canadian and US residents only. So yun yung isa sa mga naging challenge na naharap ko, no? I had to change the region of the Apple iPad Pro and yung cellphone source natin into US or Canada. Actually, kung hindi ka set up sa region ng US or Canada, hindi mo mada-download yung app mismo. Also, this is meant to be wireless and mobile. You can do this in a remote area. Kung live streaming kayo, pwede kayo mag-connect dito ng wireless internet. Kung gagawin yung hotspot yung cellphone nyo, pwede siya mag-connect doon in order to live stream the video that you are shooting. Okay, so to test this, gagamitin ko completely wireless ang setup natin today. Hindi na ako magsasaksak sa kuryente. Diretso tayo sa battery. So what you do is really just put this in. It will light up. Magbe-blink siya for a couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And then I already have my SD card inside. I will turn on my iPad. Yan. At this point, naka-off pa rin po yung Cameralink natin, dalawa, at yung cellphone. Hindi pa siya nakakonect sa Slingstudio hub. And to show you, ito yung camera natin, yung XA11. And then, andito yung 5D Mark III. So, naka-off pa yung Cameralink, both Cameralinks. And then, I'll show you kung ano yung makikita natin dito sa iPad. So, let's connect with this Slingstudio console. Now that the iPad is connected with the Slingstudio, we'll turn on the Cameralink one by one, isa-isa. So, first, itong nakadikit sa 5D Mark III. So, papakita ko lang, yan yung, pag nagbe-blink siya, ibig sabihin, it's trying to connect with the Studio Hub. Yon. So, ibig sabihin, connected na siya. At pag tinignan natin yung iPad, yan na. Nakikita na yung source. Now, we'll turn on the one connected to the XA11. Oops. So, you press the power button for maybe 3 seconds and it will connect. Actually, na-pair ko na po siya. Kaya nagko-connect siya automatically. But for the initial setup, kailangan isa-isa lang po yung pag-pair sa kanya. And pansin ko po, yung signal na tinatransmit papunta sa Slingstudio, may 1 second delay. Let's say, ito yung camera. Ganun ako. 1 second bago siya lalabas dito. Sa cellphone naman, you have to download the Slingstudio Capture app. I'll open the Slingstudio Capture app. This is the Slingstudio Capture app. So, we'll connect this lang. Okay. So, we have connected everything. This is the XA11. This is the 5D Mark III. Medyo nagkaalog lang siya. And this is the cellphone. Okay? Ito yun. We'll start to record a short video clip. Before we record, you have to set up a project. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung current menu nung program sa iPad. So, dito, ito yung live feed natin. Ito yung program. Kung ano yung nandito sa baba, yun yung nag-air. Yun yung on-air, kumbaga. On this part, makikita natin yung options. If you have to close the project, you want to add graphics, also playback recording. Yan. So these are the 2 camera links that we have added. If you want to add another camera link, again, 1 at a time. So you just turn this on and it will find the camera link that's nearby na hindi pa naka-register. Ito naman yung quality and battery status. So yung Huawei ko, it's 33% na lang yung battery. Yung iPad, it's 96%. And yung dalawang camera link natin, nandyan nakasulat yung battery percentage niya. Also, ito yung settings natin. Naka 1080p tayo at 30 frames per second. And yung source and program output bitrate natin is 8 megabytes per second. Not bad. Right now, we're not uploading. We're not doing a live stream. So, 0 Mbps siya. Ito yung SD card na nakalagay dito sa loob ng Slingstudio. So, ito, if you want to record, record na tayo. Stop muna natin. And if you want to go live, you have to set it up pa kung anong website siya mag-air, no? So, this one naman is the HDMI out. You have an option kung pass-through, quad view, or no video output. So, let's try to record. Put this here, record. Kung ano yung nandito, yan yung nagre-record. Okay? Pakita natin yung... Ito yung parang preview monitor nyo. So, pwede ko lagay ito dyan. Sorry, ito, dito. So, yan yung monitor. Ito yung nagre-record. And, let's say, gusto ko yan mag-record. Yan. Kung makakansin nyo, yan yung nagre-record. Tingnan nyo to Color orange yung sa ilalim ng battery. Ang ibig sabihin yan, para kung ikaw yung nagsasalita, alam mo na ikaw yung on-air. Or alam mo, ito yung camera na on-air. So, let's do this. Yan. Ito, lagay natin dyan. Ito yung preview natin. You can add graphics. So, you can add graphics dito sa taas. Graphics. Let's say, dito, no, lalagay. Well, lagay natin yan. Ba natin. Ito na lang. You can edit this. You can put this down below. Lower screen. Save. Okay? And then video source. Put this here. So yun, may graphics tayo dito. Okay. And then there you go. Everything is saved here sa SD card. And like I said earlier, kung balak nyo mahaba yung shoot, you can connect the USB-C hub at the back of the Slingstudio and then attach an external hard drive here. Also, if you're going to do a live stream, mas okay kapag naka-Ethernet cable kayo. It has an RJ45 port here para mas stable yung connection. So that's our quick overview of the Slingstudio system. Now, would I recommend it? Yes and no. No, if medyo maliikli yung pasensya ninyo. Why? Because I had an experience with this. No? Like I said, kung napansin nyo rin yung unboxing ko nito, iba yung setup. No? Kasi, when I unboxed this, one of the Cameralink was not working. So what I did was I had to ship it back to the US and then get a replacement here. May cost implication siya. Yung papunta doon, papa-FedEx mo, or kung ano man yung service na gagamitin nyo, may bayad. I-ship nyo ulit dito, may bayad na naman. Pag nagka-problema kayo in the future, kunyari, nagka-problema siya, or whatever problem you encounter with this, medyo mahirap makakuha ng customer service. Kasi the system, the product itself, is made for US and Canadian residents only. Yun yung downside niya. Yung pagiging buyer sa Mac or Apple products, kaya mong tanggapin eh. Pero yung customer service na medyo mahihirapan ka, kung maiksi yung pasensya mo, baka hindi na lang. But, yes, because it's very convenient. And as far as I know, it's one of the very few, if not the only, live streaming product that allows or that takes advantage of your cell phones as a camera video source. You don't need a Cameralink if your video source is a cellphone lang. And yung mga bagong cellphone, ang gaganda na ng mga cameras nila, di ba? Minsan, kino-compare pa ng ibang mga reviewers to a professional camera. So, that in itself is a very big advantage for the Slingstudio hub. Yung pagkalikot, yung workaround for the regional setting, mabilis lang yun eh. Very convenient siya to use. Very easy to learn. Yung learning curve niya, makikili lang, mababa lang. Yung app itself, yung console app is very easy to learn as well. And best of all, it is meant to be used wirelessly. And that is very convenient. Hindi nyo na kailangan magsaksak ng kung ano-anong kable dito. You can live stream wireless, you can record wireless. So yun yung very big advantage sa kanya. So again, would I recommend it? yes and no. Sorry, hindi ako makabigay ng definitive recommendation. Pero kung maging available siya sa Asia Pacific region, definitely, it's a yes. So that is my hack review of the Slingstudio system. God bless, and of course, please stay safe and take care always.